Good morning, good morning. Ah! Oh my gosh, Alexa, lower volume a lot. Alexa, lower volume. If you all have not heard the song The Truth by Megan Woods, ooh, I need to moisturize. Oh my goodness, my sister sent it to me, and no matter what your spiritual path is, if you just apply the song to divine source or your higher self, you're gonna be like, why? Yes. Okay, Alexa, stop playing. I thought that I would film this video really quick for posterity, for my clients, and also I think I may upload this to YouTube, who knows. So I am like trying to jet out the door. It's like 5. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:22.
It's 5:22. I need to be out of here in like 6 minutes.
Coffee for water for a healthy change.
She told me to drink water today. Thank you for looking out for me, Alexa. Okay, so I'm getting ready to make my smoothie for today. I'm a little bit behind on my meal prep because my groceries weren't delivered until last night. And so this is why it is so important to have a plan, okay? So even though I'm behind on my meal prep, I still know what I'm supposed to be hitting. I still have the framework. So my framework for right now is my smoothie. If you're having trouble planning things out or sticking to a plan, or if you need to increase the volume of food you eat, not necessarily the calories, or if you're in a caloric deficit and you've been really stinking hungry, okay, increasing the amount of volume, okay, will like trick you enough to stave off your hunger somewhat. The other, you're just gonna have to use some discipline and some inspirational sayings and find yourself a song, and moral support from friends and family. So this is my smoothie. I wanted to show you how I pack it, because it makes a ½ gallon. Yeah, you heard that right. It literally makes, this is 64 ounces. So I usually use, this is kale. I usually use an entire bag of this, but I don't want just kale. I like a lot of different flavor. So like literally you're squishing it down in there. And then I got a container of mixed greens right here. So what is this? This is like spinach, arugula. What else is in here? I don't know. And I am shoving it down in there. You always want to put your soft stuff in there first. And then I'm going to take some cilantro. Some cilantro. Normally I would put celery and cucumber in here, but I don't have time this morning. I don't have time for all that. So I'm just putting my greens in there. All right. And then you only put enough fruit. So you would do like 2 little servings of fruit. You only put enough fruit in there to give it some flavor. And then, okay, and then you're going to use a scoop of whatever protein powder. For us women, especially like right before you train, you're going to want about a 40 grams. So I'll probably put 2 scoops of that. And then I'm going to put, this is an omega-3 blend that I make myself. So it's like sunflower seeds, walnuts, a little bit of olive oil, all blended up so it makes my own nut butter. This is danger. This is danger because I will literally just sit and eat the whole thing. And that's probably like 2,000-3,000 calories. Jesus, take the wheel. And so I'll put just a little bit of that in there. Bloop. Oh, that's too much. Oh God, that's too much. So I put a little, thank you God. I'll put a little bit of that in there. And that's my smoothie. That's my smoothie. Always pack your soft stuff first, and then your fruit on top of it. Put your protein powder in, a little scoop of fat, and then you've got a ½ gallon smoothie. Yeah, there you go. I love you. Have a great weekend.